Okay, I'll stop sharing. Once she join,
Okay.
I'll share. Let me book the tickets. I forgot you reminded me. I didn't book the tickets.
Okay. Actually, Venkat is recording the session, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Hi, Sangamitra.
Hi. Yes.
Okay. Let me start the.
So today is also we are in set.
Yeah, set.
Okay.
Yeah, here I told you. Yeah, tell me.
Yes. I just need to ask you quickly. In the laptop, if I need to download the in the office itself the Tableau, so should I go the download the trial version and put the proper key?
Yes.
Okay. The downloading is always same. The free version, free trial, right?
Say, I gave you one link, right? For installation. So you can install from there, and you can give. So if you're for your personal means, you can give your own key. Otherwise, office people, if you are in a project, they will.
Office people have given me the their key, but I don't know which like from where to download it. Is it the same trial version?
Same.
Okay.
I gave one link, right? The Tableau desktop and Tableau servers will be there.
Okay, so I need to download the Tableau server too?
No. I gave you one link. There will be two partitions, Tableau desktop and Tableau server. In Tableau desktop, you will find 10.1, 10.2, 10.29 version, 8 version, all this. Right? You can ask them which version I need to install.
Okay. Yes, I'll ask. Okay.
Right? Once installation is done, you can give that key. You can activate that key.
Sure.
Okay. See. Okay, let me start this setup. This you understood, right? How to show top 10 customers based on sales values. So these are all the top 10 customers based on sales values. And if I want to see who are all the top 10 customers and who are out customers, means I'll create one hierarchy for that. See, if I want to see a top 10 customers, these are all the top 10 customers who are in set. These are all the remaining people who are out. Okay. Now, same thing. I want to see, I have a customer here. I'm having my sales value. Here, I want to see a customer's greater than 29K sales. Okay. Previously, we saw top 10 customers. Here, specifically, I'm using one value, 29,000K, greater than 29,000K sales people. I want to see those customers in my. Got the requirement? Hello, Sangeeta?
Yes.
Yeah. See now, right click, create a set. See previously what we discussed the top, right? For getting top 10 customers, we discussed this. Now you go to condition. In this scenario, you can go to condition by field based on sales value, sum. What I need here I want greater than or equal to 29K, right? 29,000. And you can give the name here. Customers greater than 29K sales. Okay. Now the set is created now. See? Customers greater than 29K. Now you can drag and drop it here. Now you are able to see, right? In and out. What is in?
In is the 29, greater than 29K.
Yeah. This is out. If you want to see, show members in set. See? These are all the 29K customers, greater than 29K sales customers. Am I right? Same thing I'll create for profit as well. Why I'm creating these two means we have joins in set. I'll explain you that. Okay. See again, I'm drawing customer name. Now I am bringing profit. Now I want to see greater than 6,000K customers. Okay. Same way, profit, customer name, right click, create a set, go to condition, by field. Now we have to select profit. By default it will be in profit. Why? Because in the report we drag profit, right?
Yes.
So say sum greater than or equal to 6K. And you can give the name here. Customers greater than 6K profit. The set is created. Now drag the set here. Now you are able to see, right? Greater than 6K profits in, remaining people is in out. Why I created these two means sometimes we'll get a requirement like, see, I have customers greater than 29K sales and I have customers greater than 6K profit. I want customers, those who are present in both sets, mean like a common customers. Are you getting?
Yeah.
See, if Greg is in 29K sales, if Greg is in profit, I want to display his name. Only common customers from both sets. You got the requirement, right?
Yeah.
I want to check whether the customer is present in 29K and as well as greater than 6K profit. I want only those common customers and display in a separate report. How we will do that? So here in set, I told you, you'll be having joins. You see, if I create a set, you can see the icon. It's a join icon, right? See, now, select customer greater than 6K profit and select customer greater than 29K sales. Select both and right click. You can finally create a combined set. See? So just select this. We have 4 types of joins here. First join is all members in both sets. Second one is shared members in both sets. Third one is customer greater than 29K sales except shared members. Fourth one is customer greater than 6K profit except shared members. We'll discuss one by one. First, let me give this combined set. Okay. What is all members in both sets? See, if I create all members in both sets, see, here I have two sets, right? Customer greater than 29K sales and customer greater than 6K profit. I am selecting the first one. Okay. A set is created. Now go to new sheet. Drag your combined customers and drag your sales as well as drag your profit. Now show members in both sets. See how many I am getting here? I am getting all right. Okay. You're getting right? I'm getting all customers. Both profit and sales. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt, Pallavi?
So is that somewhere we need to right click and select the...
Yeah, I'm just combining the both set. And what I'm doing means I want all members in both sets. Means I want all. I want all these customers and as well as I want these customers. Okay? See, here what is the total count? 16, right? In sales. What is the total count here? 13. 16 plus 13 is 29, right? But how many rows we are getting here? 22. Means, why we are not getting 29? There will be some common customers, right?
Yes.
That's why it didn't show, it is not showing 29 rows, it is showing 22 rows. Why? Because there are big common customers. So it will show only one row, right?
Yeah.
Are you getting right?
Yes, you mean to say there is no duplicates, right?
Yes. See, for example, if Peter is there here, if Peter is there in both, then you'll get only one row. It won't display 2 times, right? You understood, right? What is this combined all members in both set?
It's working as a union, right?
Union means it will bring
Yes.
Yeah, union. Yes, yes. Correct.
Yes.
It won't display the duplicates, right?
Yeah.
Now, shared members in both. You know the joins, right?
Yes, yes. It is, I think it is easy. Like once you, whatever the requirement, you can get it by selecting the...
No, I'm asking, you know the normal joins, right? Left outer join, right outer join.
Yes.
Yeah. See, now, what is this? This is acting like a equijoin, right? Shared members in both set.
This is the intersect.
Same, yeah, shared members in both sets means it's like an equijoin in our normal joins, right? What equijoin will do? It will display only matched rows from the both tables, right? In the same way, it is also showing the matched rows from the both tables. It is showing that shared members in both sets. Okay. So I click OK. See, 7 members are there. Previously, we got 22, right? 22 plus 7, 29, right?
Yes.
Yes.
See. You can see this Hunter, Jane, Raymond, Sanjit, Susan, Tamara and Tom, these are all the common customers from both the sets. These seven customers are present in customer greater than 29K sales and as well as customer greater than 6K profits. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what is the third one? The third one is, it is acting like a customer greater than 29K sales, except shared members, it is telling. What it means? So it is looking like a left-order join, but is not acting like a left-order join, right? What is a left-order join in our normal join? It will display all the rows from left table and match rows from the right table, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Normal left-order join means it will display all the rows from left table and matching rows from the right table. But here, it is displaying all the rows from left table, but it is not showing matched rows. Means shared members it is not showing. Means it will display unmatched customers. Are you getting? These seven it won't display. See, you see the pic carefully, what it is saying. Customer greater than 29K sales except shared members. Means I won't display the shared members. Apart from these shared members, I will display remaining customers from only 29K sales. It won't show profit customers. See,
Yes.
the right circle, everything is empty.
Yes.
And the left circle belongs to 29K sales, right? Sales circle. What it is saying, I will display only unmatched customers. See, I mean, except shared members, I will display remaining customers. Means these seven customers you won't see if I give this join. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
See, if I click OK, except the seven members, remaining is displaying, right? 18. 18 plus 7, 23.
25.
20.
18 plus 7, 25.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you got it, right? Except shared members,
Yes.
it is showing the remaining customers.
Yeah.
The same vice versa. Except shared members from profit
Mm-hmm.
circle. It won't show sales circle. See, now the sales circle, everything is empty. See, now my names will be changed. So any doubts here regarding this set joins, four joins?
No, good.
You can ask me, no problem, I'll tell you again.
No, it is clear. So the sales value is showing, which is not falling
Which
on
is
that
not
set.
common customers.
Mm-hmm. Not customer greater than 29.
No, customer greater than 29 only it is showing, but what it is showing is customer, I'll explain.
No. The custom. Okay.
I'll explain.
No, from the that set I understand from this picture like green and white, but if you go to the data, I'll just.
See, what you understand is customer greater than 6K profit except shared members.
Mm-hmm.
Means what it will display, for example, in the 6K profit, me, you, Pallavi is there. Okay, and ABC, some other names is there.
Mm-hmm.
Here also, me, you, Pallavi, D, something is there. If I use this, customer greater than 6K profit, so just shared members means me, you, Pallavi, our names won't display here.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? Let me tell you briefly. See, this is A set, this is B set. Okay? A set angle is there. Sangamitra is there. Pallavi is there. Some ABC. These are all the customers is there. It's greater than 6K. What is it? 29K. Now here the same 3 names is there. But here I'm having, see, if I use this join, what will customer greater than 6K profit except shared members. What are all the shared customers here? These 3, right? Except these 3 means these 3, what it is showing? And it is showing a right circle totally empty. So I won't display this. I'll display only this, these 3. This will be my output. That is what we are getting here. Okay. See, except shared members in both sets means in both sets these 3 names are the shared customers, right? Shared names. Anil, Sangamitra, and Pallavi. Now, it won't display the right circle, right? See, total right circle is empty. You are seeing this, right?
Yeah.
So this total, this table, it won't display. Within this table, it is showing only except shared members means these 3, right? So these 3, the output will be like this. ABC, DSC, and FF.
But it is showing some profit, right? Look in the graph.
It will show the profit value, but it won't show the, see, if I select this, let me do one thing there. Here it says, first I will show you the shared members in both sets. So these are all the shared members, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me show you shared members. Now I will create another join here. Combined set 2 with third option. Okay. Customer greater than 29K sales except shared members. Drag this set 2 here. Drag your customer name here. Sorry. Drag sales value, profit value, and as well as sales value. Show members in. See. Christopher is there in shared members? No, right? That's why it is displaying. Greg, Muhammad, these are all customers present here? No, right?
No.
See, this is the shared members. It won't display the shared members, but it will go here. It will see here. See, Fred is there, Muhammad is there, Christopher is there. Except the shared members, it will display. See, again, is Christopher is there in profit? You can see here. No, right? Why? Because this profit, it won't show a single customer. See, the pick itself it is showing, right? The right circle is totally empty. I won't display anything from profit.
Yeah.
Are you getting this right?
Yes, that means the profit is whatever less than 6K, it is coming for those.
See. Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah, that means the profit for the third one, for the like only it is showing the customer greater than 29K sales, but the profit is not greater than 6K.
Yes.
Yes.
This profit is showing for this customer what is the sales value and what is the profit value. That's it.
Yes.
It is not showing greater than
Yes.
6K. It is not showing that.
Yeah.
Just for each and every customer, there will be sales and profit. The profit value is showing. It is not showing greater than our set.
Greater than 6K. Yes.
6K. It won't show that. Why? Because clearly it is showing, right?
Yes.
Total right circle will be empty.
Yes. And similarly, the fourth one
Similarly, the
will show
fourth one.
yeah, it will
It
show,
will show only
customers
profit.
greater than 6K, but
won't show
sales
sales
less
numbers.
than 29. Yes.
Yes. You got it?
Yes, yes.
Pallavi, any doubts?
Yes. No, good.
Okay. Now, see, I'm showing in a shared members, right? Shared members means I'm having both common customers, right? The second join. Here, I don't want to see two bars. I want to show in a single bar. See, I'm showing here sales and as well as I'm showing here profit, right?
Yeah, we'll select the stack bar, right? Show me
Show me this one.
just, yes.
Is it correct?
Oh no. Or we can source the,
See, my requirement is now I'm able to show customers greater than 29K sales and customers greater than 6K profit. I'm showing shared members, common customers from both the sets. But I'm showing different graphs, different bar, right? This is the sales bar and this is the profit bar. I don't want like this. I want
so we can,
in a single bar, it should be partitioned, like sales should be and as well as profit should be in a single bar. How can I do this? It's very simple. No need to drag sales and profit individually. Drag measure names here. Sorry. Drag measure values instead of measure names.
if we drag measure names, then it will show the tabular form.
Yes. And whatever you want, you can select. I want profit and as well as sales. Both. These two only, right? So I'm selecting only these two. Now, drag measure names into color. Why? Because it's already is there, but both are showing blue color. So it's not partitioning, right? So drag this measure names and drop it in a color. Now you can able to see in a single line, I'm able to see sales and as well as profit. If you want to change the color, you can change this color. Okay. Like this, we'll show the report. These are all the set. See, we have created first by using set we can exclude the values. You can remind this, right? On the day I excluded 2012 and 13.
Yeah.
By using set we can exclude the values. By using set we can create a logic. I want to show top 10 customers means I can show top 10 customers. And by using set, we can use logic here like greater than 2000 or greater than 10,000. And I can create a profit same way. And I can join these two sets. I want a common customers means this. Okay, these are all about set. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, please practice this. This is important sets also. Now table calculations. Okay. What is the table calculation? Say, instead of writing calculated field. By using table calculations only, we can achieve our requirement. See, for example, I want percentage of total. I no need to go and write any calculation. Just I'll be having table calculations. I want running total. I want percentage. I want percentage of total. I want moving average. All this. Okay. First, how running total will work. See, I'll tell you. First, I'm taking shift mode. And I'm taking region. Okay. First, I'm taking a dummy value. Okay. Not taking any value. First, I'm taking dummy value, which I'll give for each and every shift mode or region. I'll give one value. Okay. So right click, measures, and drop it here by using right click. Sorry. Number of records. And go to min number of records. So we will get only the one. This is a dummy value. Don't confuse. Okay. Same thing. Duplicate. See. Shift area. Here, these are all the table calculations. You can see here a quick table calculations. Running total, difference, percentage difference, percent of total, rank, percentile. All I'll tell you. First, what is running total? I'll explain how it works. See, I give running total and the values are changed, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, everywhere. See, this is a normal report. This is a normal report with table calculation. Okay? Go to dashboard, I'll show you how it will work. See, this is normal report and this is table calculation. Why I got 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of all 1? I'll tell you. See, I have given a table calculation with running total and sum with table across, right? See, if I use running total, I'll get these options. Table across, table down, table across then down, table down then across, cell and specific dimensions. First, what is table across? I'll tell you. Here I give sum, right? So what sum will do, it will add, right? What this running total will do means, it will take the current value and it will add with the previous value. Okay?
Okay.
Running total, what running total will take? It will take the current value and it will, it will be in current value and it will take the previous value and it will add. That's why we are getting 2 here. See. Previously 1. First class is 1. Same day also is 1, right? Once I use the table calculation, what it is doing? It will take the current value 1 and it will take the previous value 1. So 1 plus 1, how much? 2. Now go to second class. I'm having 1. Same day, how much I'm having? 2, right?
Yes.
So here 1 will be there. 1 plus 2, 3. Again here 1 is there. 1 plus 3, 4. You got it? How it will take? So it's ended here. What I gave here, table across, right? See. Go to sheet. What I gave here, running total, table across. Right?
Okay.
That's why table across means by here my value is ended. Again I come, it will come to the region. Again for Africa it's done. Again Canada. See, everywhere we are having 1. So for Canada there is no previous value. So it will display 1. Again it will go to Canada same day. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. You got it right? How these numbers adding running total. It will be in current value with previous value. with previous value and it will display the number.
Table across means row wise it will sum, and table
Yes.
down
Table
means
down
column
means
wise.
it will come column wise. Now go to table down. See, I can go and edit here and I can select here. Otherwise, here itself I am having compute using. Same options, right? Table down. See, select table down. So now it is adding down. See, 1. Canada will be 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, up to west. Now after west there is no value. So it will stop here. Again it starts with 1. Same day with Canada and Africa, Canada. Same process it will follow. Understood? Now the third option is table across then down. See, first table across. It will go like this. It won't stop here. Again, it will come and check with Canada value. 1 will be there. So 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. Again here 1 will be there. So 1 plus 8, 9. So it will stop. There is a link. It won't stop. Like this it will come. 1 plus 4, 5. Again. 8 plus 1, 9. It won't stop. You got it?
Yes.
The same way table down, then across. Table down, then across. Okay?
Yes.
Now you understood it, how running total will work.
Anil understood, but when it will be useful in which scenarios?
Now see, for example, I have dates, years, or I have quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. I want to add with previous quarter, current quarter. Mostly these running total laws will take for date values. Previous year to current year or previous year to next year. Some will be there, right? Quarters, especially years, it will add. Otherwise, month, previous month to this month. Please add the current month value and previous value, month value, and show it in it. In these requirements only, we'll use more table running total. And some running total will be like, if I want to show a waterfall chart, definitely I will go with the running total. I'll tell you all those things, okay? First, let me explain this. Now the fourth, what is the cell? If you use cell means nothing will be there. Everything will be 1. Cell means particular thing, okay? Don't go for cell. And what is the region? So region, if I select region means region is in rows, right? I mean, in this Africa, Canada, so it will act like a, see, column wise, first class. Column wise, it will display running total. You got it?
Yes.
If I select shift mode, see, row wise it will act. It is acting like a table across, right? If I am selecting region, it is acting like. Now I will go to the main example. See, instead of dummy value, I am bringing sales value here. And for example, I am bringing my sales value. Bring here and okay, I'll bring here and quarter. Order date. I don't have null here. And I want month wise. This is my report, right? And the same thing, I'll duplicate this. Okay. Here I am using quick table calculation with the running total. See, it's a very good habit. Once you select a table calculation, please edit that and check what we selected. Okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, sometimes it will be wrong. Sometimes we want table down, this by default it will be table across. So it's a good habit to check what we selected. So we select the running total, sum and table across. Fine. Now go to dashboard. 39 and table calculation. See now. First, what I give table across, right? First, 2012, 98898. The same value it is showing it. Why? Because there is no previous value for 2012. Okay. Now come to 2013 January. I'm having 135781. Here my value is 234679. How it got? If I add these two, I told you, right? Running total, current value with previous value. It will add these two. How much I am getting here? 234679. The same I am getting here, right? Now, means current year with previous year. That too in January only. Okay. Now come to 2014. It will take current year, current value with previous value. What is my previous value here? 234679, right? So this value add with this value, right? See, in 2014, what is the current value? 199186. 199186 plus 234679. So we'll get 433865.
But Anil, we don't, in the real time, we don't need to do the running total across the table with different years, right? Because it is just adding up January month's data of every year. We need to do it table down.
No. I'm telling you, right, it's based on a requirement. I want only January values to be added in different years. This is the way to do that.
Okay.
Particular month I want, but for each and every different years means we have to do like this. Now if we go with table down, then the scenario works like this. For each and every year, we go with different months. January, February, month-wise now. See, for 2012, first what is the value? 98898. The same thing we are displaying. Now it will add with, come to February, 91152. So this will add with the previous value, which is 190051. The same thing we are getting here, right? So current value with previous value.
Yes.
Any doubts here? Or running total?
No.
Same table down, table across, then down, table down, then across. Same way it will work. Now we will see one example, waterfall chart on running total. See, I have month. And I'm showing I want to show a waterfall chart. Waterfall chart means it's like a step by step, right?
Yes.
So, before going for waterfall chart, we should select this as a Gantt bar. Then only we'll get, so you can see here, right, step by step. So, Gantt bar. And drag your profit here. So, now, it is not showing step by step, right? But it is showing, see, what is the main difference between bar and Gantt bar means? See, if I select bar, what it is displaying from beginning value to end value. It is showing bar, right? The difference between bar and Gantt bar means Gantt bar, what it will do, it won't display the beginning value. It will show only a small bar of the ending value. See, if bar chart means it will display from 0K to 8K, right? If I am using Gantt bar, it won't display from 0. Where the value is ending, there it will show a small line. This is the difference. You understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So sometimes they'll ask what is the difference between bar chart and Gantt bar means. Bar chart, it will display from starting value to ending value. See, all from zeros it is showing, right? But if you are going with Gantt bar, it won't show the starting value. It will show only the ending part, I mean, where the value is ended. Now, to get this, what I have to do now? To get a sequence. So here, I want to create running total. Quick table tail fashion, running total. See, now I got a step-by-step, right? In sequence, what running total will take? Take the current value with previous value, right? Now, see. See, previously, you can see the axis here. 0K, 20K, 4K. Now, once I do this running total, see the axis changed, right? 0K, 2K, change it to 200K, right? Now see, now go here, edit. I told you, right? Once you did, go running total, some table across. Fine. Now, create a calculated field like profit 0 minus profit. Just I am giving minus profit. Why I am creating minus profit means, see, if I drag this and drop it in size, I am getting a nice bar, right? Why I am using this means I want a bar from starting value to ending value. Okay? Are you getting?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
now I have only one single line. So this won't makes my report good. So to get at least from starting value to ending value. So what I did means I created a minus profit and dropping in size. See now, a nice view I'm getting, right? So if I drag my sales, profit and drop it in label, I'm getting the values. Right? See, for month, what is the value for us? $73535, right? The same thing we are getting, right? 73535, 70836, 70836. Okay, we are getting the same bars, but you can see the bar. 73535 is greater than 70836. That's why this bar is down, this bar is little bit up, right?
Yeah.
But here, 70836 is showing more than 73535, right? Why? Because what running total will do? First it will take the current value. You can see here, 73535. Now come to 70836. What it is doing, see. It will add this value and 73535 and it is showing 144371, right? You can see here, if I am hovering, you can see the value running sum of profit along table across is 144371. See why this bar is coming from here, why it's not showing from starting means where the value ended here, 73535, right? Here the value is ended. So the next bar will start from here. this starting point will be the ending point of previous bar.
Yes.
Are you getting? The
Yes,
second
yes.
bar starting point will be the ending point of previous bar, and it will end the value. The third one, the starting point of the third bar will be ending point of the second bar. That's why you can get, see, a nice waterfall chart. Why we got 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 9 means I got 144371, right? If I add 708367355, now it will add 94088 with 144371. Then we will get
So
2.
I think the label should be the running total.
Yeah, running total only.
No. We are saying the, yes, it is, but the 70,836 is not the running total. Running
It's not the
total is
running total. Its running total is 144371.
Yes.
Okay, you want that value to be shown on the
Yes.
report? Okay, then.
Yes.
Just drag this and drop it here. Now you got it, right? Why I
Yes.
showed that value means you will be confused, right? How this 144371 come? So instead of using this value, if you directly used sales profit value, means you can show, right? This value with this value. If I'm hovering, I'm getting that value, right? 144371.
Yes.
See, for example, if I'm not using this, if I'm using this profit in a label, tell me how you got this things. 144371, how you got that?
Yeah.
Simple, yeah. February value and January value, if you add both, you'll get 144371.
Yes.
Right. So what is the February value here? It is showing profit 0 minus 7836. It's not right. So if you drag profit here, 7836 plus 73535, then I'll get 144371. I can show like this, I think. Okay. Both values. Like this.
Yeah.
And I can show in tooltip. No need. I can show in label only. I can show normal profit in one color and running total will be in another color. You can easily identify it. This green colors will be running total and orange colors will be normal profit value. I can show like this also. Now you can tell. Okay, how 144371 comes? It will be adding 7836 and 73535. Then you are getting 14437. So any doubts here?
No. So is this the waterfall chart?
Yeah, this is the waterfall chart. If you want, you can add this. Now drag this profit and drop it in a color. Sorry. Profit 0, I think. No, profit only. If you have negative values means you will get different color. We don't have negative values here. I'm giving stepped colors, only 2 colors. No, I'm not getting negative values. That's why you are not getting any red color. Okay.
Yeah, it is good.
If you are getting negative colors means we will get 2 different colors. One will be blue and negative value will be in red color. This bar I am saying.
So I just did you select the waterfall chart or it came up?
No. We don't have any waterfall chart here. See.
Yeah, we don't have.
Just before creating, we need to select Gantt bar. This Gantt bar.
Okay.
Then drop your month and profit. After that, you select running total. Then you will get a sequence like this, step by step. Then you can go to profit and make it as a negative profit just for the shape purpose. And drop here. So this is about a running time. Any doubts here?
No. So how did you create the negative profit?
Just a calculated field.
Calculated field. Okay.
Just minus profit. That's it.
Okay.
Any doubts here?
No.
No.
Okay, then next we'll move to and dropping here order date month wise. And dropping sales here. It should not discrete, just I am discreting, okay? If I don't want this now, decimals, all this means, go to format, go to numbers. This is sales will be currency. I don't want any symbols, I mean decimals, okay? Now, the same value drag here. Sum of sales. Now what I want here means, here I am having table calculations like difference. Okay. I want to know the difference between January value and February value and how much difference I am getting here. You are getting? See, I want difference means minus, right? January value minus February value. How much difference I am getting here? So go to sales, go to quick table calculation and select a difference. And I told you, just edit it and see, check what you have done. Difference from table down. Okay. Yeah, this is table down, right? And you can see here relative to previous. Here we have 4 options: previous, next, first, last. First we will go with previous value. Now what it is doing? First, sales. Is there any previous value for sales? No, right? So that's why it is showing null in difference. Come to February value. February value with previous value, what? January value only, right? So what is the difference between these two? 132,435. If I minus 542, see, if I minus 542,699 minus 675,134. How much I am getting? Minus 132,435, right? The same thing. Minus I am showing in the brackets. So 132,435. So this is how you can show difference. Now come to March. 770501 with previous value. What is my previous value? 542,699, right? If I minus these two, I'll get this. 227,802, right? The same thing. Each and every value will take the previous value and it will show the difference between those two numbers. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubts? I think you are doubtly saying yes.
No doubt. It is just more like we are just selecting from the options only.
Yeah, the same thing. What is the next one? Edit. I told you, right? previous value, next value, first value, last value. You can select from here. Otherwise, directly you can have here relative to previous, next. Next, go to next value, next option. First, January. It will take the next value. What is the next value? February value and minus this. February value with March value and minus this. It will come to up to December. For December, there is no next value. So it will show null. Same, how previous work, now it is showing next. It is taking next.
Yeah.
January. What is the next value for January? February only, right? So it will take this value and it will minus these two and it will show the difference of those two numbers. February will take March value, March will take April value, April will take May value, November will take December value and show the difference. December we don't have next value, so it is showing null. Okay. Next, what is first value? Means first value is January. So January 675,134 minus 675,134. What is first value? January only, right? So this value with this will get 0, right? 675,134 minus 675,134, 0. Come to February. We'll take what is the first value here in this table? January. So it will take this value and it will show the difference. March. It won't take February value. It will take only January value.
January.
What is the first value here? January. Whatever month here, it will take first value. First value is nothing but January. So it will take January value and it will show the difference. If I select next value means, last value means, by default, January, February, March, everything will take only December's value.
Yeah.
So in this table, what is the last value? December, right?
Yes.
January will take December value and show the difference. February will take December value and show the difference. March will take this. Like this, every month will take December value and show the difference. December minus December, 0. Understood what is first, last, previous, next?
Yes.
Which made the difference?
Yes.
Okay, still we have so many, calculations. I'll stop here today and we'll discuss tomorrow table calculations. Like first, this is the difference. Now you'll go, next you'll go to percentage difference, percent of total rank, moving all these things. Okay?
Okay.
So what else we left?
Table calculations only tomorrow also.
No, means in the PowerPoint. Please go to the PowerPoint. Yes, let's.
Now we are in 7th topic. We have filters, bins, different types of charts, null axis, bar in bar,
Okay.
calculate field parameters, level of
So
detail. Level of details we did.
don't you have any functions in Tableau?
We have right in calculated fields.
Okay.
If function, case function, I told you, right? Yeah. I'll tell you that.
Yes. Yes.
There are so many functions. These are all the functions.
Okay.
This right side is there, right? These are all functions. But we won't use all. In that we use only some. It's based on requirement, right? For example, if I want to write if statement, one select if is there. So I want to write case statement. So now we directly did this difference, right? If you want to show date difference something means you can go for date difference. So if we want only date values means, see these are all the date add, date difference, date name. I'll tell you all.
Is there any rank unique function? Rank
Is there, right? Yeah.
Rank
Then
is there, but no,
yeah,
rank unique.
I'll tell you, is there. Sorry, here I select
Number.
so you can see dense rank. Rank is there, rank dense is there. You know the difference between rank and dense rank, right?
Yes, yes. No, I was asking about what is rank unique.
Rank unique?
Yeah.
Let me check this. I haven't used rank unique. The same thing, I think, like a dense rank. Yeah,
Okay.
The rank unit is
No.
doing C. The rank, no, not dense rank. For this, it is showing third. It is actually second.
Yes, third. Second, yes, yes.
It's not correct. You should not use this.
Yes.
See, wherever you are getting that, please blindly follow rank dense. Don't go with all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
It is acting like a number.
Row number.
I mean,
row number. Yes. Yeah. Today there's for some dashboard at work, they were talking about rank Unix. So.
Okay. You can, you have any doubts, you just ping me. Okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Pallavi, just practice Pallavi. Okay?
Let's see.
Days by days. She left?
I don't know.
I think she is offline now.
Okay, then she might. So is it possible to take the class instead of 7:30 at 7?
Yeah, I'm okay with 7 also.
Okay, let me text Venkat if he doesn't
And ask
have any
Pallavi
issue.
as well.
Yes, I have to ask Pallavi too. Okay.
Okay then.
Okay, thank you.
Please message Venkat. If we have class at 7 o'clock means he will tell me.
Okay, sure.
Okay then. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Good night.
Good night.